Center of a pickaxe mine. Black lung stings as a pickaxe swings, and the void of the mine closes in. The devil came and the angels sang the song of the Holy Ghost. Tempted the soul from the pennies to the gold, like the dust I spit from my mouth.
Gambled it away with the whiskey open keg, and we never saw it again. Well, I had a wife that I met back in high school, and her name was Lila Jean. Saved a way to escape someplace on the local miner's minor pay.
So long the phone came and gone, at least 27 times. Fell through the floorboards in the deep dark darkness, we never saw it again. So West Virginia's home, and that's where we're staying, to the blade of the Bible hymn. Jesus is wicked, so we just keep on picking at the scalp of the open mind.